This is the Telesin quick release mount, compatible with action cameras. Made with durable plastic and only $12 for the set. The magnetic buckle mount is designed with magnetic system and enables for a quick install and removal of your camera with our loosening screws. The package comes with 1/4 inch screw hole base and two 2-claw quick release bases. It comes with one 3-claw quick release mount that attached to the camera end. Simply align them. Rotate clockwise without pressing buttons, and listen for a click to secure it. To remove, press the dual buttons with one hand and rotate counterclockwise.